I wish you celebrate your birthday in a nice, meaningful way, and I hope you have fun. God bless you!
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you. No, nice. Never mind. See you soon.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lonnie Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Josie. From Class 75. From Class 75. The Harmony Team. The Harmony Team. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Josie. Ayos? Okay.
Hi Sis Josie, happy birthday to you. I wish you good health and many more birthdays to come. And don't worry, wala man tayo sa kalendaryo, nasa multiplication table pa rin tayo. Diba? At saka, may you always be healthy, happy, and young at heart, syempre, di ba? I love you. I miss you. See you soon. Mwah.
Happy birthday to Jocelyn.
Happy birthday, Jocelyn. God bless.
Happy birthday, Jocelyn.
Thank you.
Oh, happy birthday, Jo. 65, happy birthday. Hello. Ano na kami delay
Puro president siyang barangay Singkang Airport.
Happy birthday, Jocelyn. Happy birthday lang ta.
Okay, bye-bye.
Good morning. Happy birthday, Juicy. Happy 65th birthday. Thank you. Hitanan sa kaayo mo sa purok mainabyanon. Kabay pa nga tagaan kapag sa maayo nga lawas na malawig na kabuhi. Inatanan, ginamon sa bulo. Jo, halong ka lang daan. Ari lang kami sa iyo na Rhea. Thank you sa tanan niya bulit mo sa ako. Salamat.
Hello everyone. Have a blissful and grace-filled birthday celebration with Inday Chu. My birthday wish for you, Inday Chu, as your dance instructor. I'm not only wishing, but I'm praying that God will continue to bless you. God will continue to give you strength so that you can dance literally and figuratively to the rhythm that God has intended you to dance with charm, grace, and confidence. How I wish I was there to dance with you the way we used to dance during your previous birthday celebration. But definitely in God's perfect time, we can see each other and dance again. I wish all the wishes will come true. Happy birthday and God bless.
Len, good morning. Good morning. Bagulang ko ka matabaw. Sige lang, happy birthday. Love you. Enjoy gidra sa mga miga, no? Siling ko, ari pata ng able pata. Lagaw-lagaw. Sige lang ang party while able pa kita. So see you soon, my dear friend. I love you. Miss you. God bless.
Hi, Day Josie. Happy birthday. More blessings to come and more birthdays to come. Thank you sa inyong tumig sa akong ganan-ganan. Salamat na ikaw ang akong BFF. Happy birthday!
It's true. June 29.
Josie needs love. Happy birthday to you, sister. Enjoy life. Enjoy senior time. Happy birthday to you, Sister Rafa. Enjoy your party. And regards to all your friends out there, your family, sa lahat po na nanonood dito ngayon sa live video na ito, sa pag-group sa ate ko at sa pag-attend sa birthday party ng sister ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And this is Janet here in Japan, the sister of Josie, the younger sister of Josie. I would like to be happy birthday, sister. Congratulations. I'll say a great time. Happy birthday, sister. Cheers. Cheers for your birthday. Yo, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hero. Happy birthday. And then ang mukha siya nasa dyan. Anak. Hero. Hero. Happy birthday. Let's celebrate your birthday, sister. Sa lahat na nanood dito, salamat. Salamat sa inyong support ko din kay Ate ko sa Australia kahit na mag-isa lang dito sa Australia kasama mga anak niya kaso lang malayo mga anak niya. Happy birthday, sister. I miss you. Sana mag-isa tayo dyan sa Australia. Makakatakot.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. God bless. We love you.
Hey there. Happy 65th birthday, my sweet Josie. It's your special day. Even though I can't be there physically, I am with you in spirit, celebrating all the wonderful things that make you so special. You know, birthdays are like a roller coaster, full of twists, turns, and lots of excitement. And honey, you've got that Tina Turner spirit in you. Strong, vibrant, and absolutely unstoppable. So, get ready to dance, laugh, and celebrate because today is all about you. Remember, you are simply the best, better than all the rest. Have an amazing birthday, Josie. With love, Tina Turner.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to the most amazing, most beautiful, most special, most everything person in the world. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.